recording. Got 22 minutes. Take your time. Put a huge video on YouTube. Make people bitch about it. Here's a video of this action right here. Yeah. Man, this camera is effed. Oh, you know. What? Oh, this is gonna hurt your ears so bad. Getting ready. Let's see a big explosion. I think we're only like 50 yards away. Hope we don't get hit with shrapnel. Oh, had the safety on. Oh my God, that was so loud. You hit low. Thought that thing was sighted in, ain't it? Jesus. Oh my God!
Oh, that scared me.
So deaf.
Come on, blow it out.
It was like a foot high. Well, you got it set on 300 yards anyway. Is that how it was set?
Blow it out.
Oh my God, my ears hurt so bad. Oh, that's awesome!
Holy shit!
Oh, that was awesome! The cops are gonna come!
Open my eyes now.
The bucket's gone.
Completely gone.
Too bad it wasn't that toilet. We'll have to put another one on.
Can we go see?
Woo! Alright, I'm gonna record all the way up there. People on YouTube are gonna bitch about it. That was amazing. Oh, I loved it. Where it was, right there. You can see where fucking. Oh, you can see where the. Like the shrapnel or whatever. It like peeled up the dirt for like 8 feet around it. Amazing! Night Corp on YouTube. Train Corp on YouTube. Me? Not on YouTube. Alright. Me on YouTube.